Good afternoon everyone and welcome back to Carbonwurks. Quite an exciting Wednesday afternoon for us this week. So as you can see, McLaren 720S in with us today. The eagle-eyed viewers might spot the Instagram tag from a car we've had before, which was Matt's Lamborghini Huracan. He says he's desperate to drift this in a field as well, but first we need to lower it a bit more for him and get some wheel spacers on, which is what he's here for today. So I'm going to crack on. It's got an MSS adjustable spring set on it, which should allow me to lower it a bit more, which is what Matt's after, and then we'll complement that with a set of spacers which are ready and waiting to go on. So got those here, set of spacers all round, elongated bolts to take up from them, and yeah, we'll see afterwards just how good it looks with the wheel arches filled right out and very minimal gap, I should think, much like the Lamborghini was last time. So stay tuned, see what it looks like at the end. Okay, so that's us back down on the ground. As you can see, it's a pretty aggressive looking motor car. So 13mm spacers all round on this one today with a slight height adjustment tweak at the rear end. And hopefully you can see from the video what the spacers have done. They've brought the wheels out to match the body line of the car. They're sat almost perfectly at the rear, which just helps to fill the arch now that we've lowered the car down closer to the wheel. So the customer's here, he stood behind the camera, he's happy. We're happy and it's all ready to go. I think Tim's just going to do one cheeky extra for the camera before Matt takes off into the sunset. But yeah, epic looking car. Hopefully you guys will like this short little video on it, just to get an idea of the sort of cars we get in here on a week-to-week basis. Thanks very much for watching. As usual, like, share, subscribe away. That would be fantastic. Thanks very much.